Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this post by Sawyer, and it is regarding about Rivian. So basically, it goes: Rivian has announced a new $5,000 software performance upgrade, and what this upgrades include, and what are your thoughts on this? And we're actually going to read some of the comments and see what the audience or the customers is thinking about the whole thing, right? So this is not something new. So Tesla has this, and Tesla actually doing just only with the acceleration boost, which is like a click of a button, and you can make your vehicle faster, right? And for $2,000, but looks like Rivian is going a little bit more, and they want 5,000. So what's included in with the $5,000? So 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, and increases horsepower to 665, increases torque to 829, and you get three new additional drive modes: sport, rally, and soft sand. And basically the same thing. It can be purchased in the app or on the car screen. So same as Tesla. So another chapter from Tesla. So, but which this costs 3,000 more, right? And let's see if what are the reactions here. So this is going to be from Charlie, probably an unpopular opinion, but these are incredibly lame and feel very scummy to offer. If your existing hardware can be better with software update, just have it be better. Same scope for Tesla. So again, copying Tesla. Software upgrades are so lame. Imagine having to pay extra money to turn on your phone's volume to max or screen brightness to max. If the hardware is there, just give it to us. So makes sense. I kind of agree with all of this, because it doesn't. It seemed like right now all the manufacturers or all the companies, they just want to get more money out of consumer, like whatever they can. I mean, there's no more. You want a different color, you charge you more. You want this and this, everything just add up, like just it's not a simple option, like just like in and out. I mean, like 1, 2, 3 option, that's it. Here a lot more. So Rivian is delusional. 5,000 for 0 to 60 to go from 4.534 seconds. In comparison, base Model X is 3.8 seconds, and the base Cybertruck is 4.1 second. No one is paying for this, and you can see 57 people love this one, and that's quite. This comes to see as something that sucks about electric cars. They have updates and improvements, but you have to pay thousands of dollars to get them. Not cool. Essentially, the car was detuned originally, and to get the actual performance, you must pay more. So I think back in the days that BMW tried to charge consumer with heated seats or to pay a subscriptions. So again, it's going back to now all the companies just pretty much want you to pay, and then they prefer you pay subscriptions. We're talking about little antivirus software programs where you used to pay like one-time fees, $30, $100. Now you pay monthly subscriptions, right? And even Microsoft, they used to sell you a package for like $200, $500. Now it's like you pay monthly, and it just the way that the model is going, like, and all the companies are just making following the same footsteps and just getting more and more. The inflation's high, we're losing, and our salary's staying the same, and we're just the money is the value of our money is losing. We're not getting what we used to. Eggs is going up, skyrocketed. You think about it. Now you go to Costco, you're not, you step out of Costco, probably about $200 to $300, and there's nothing much in your cart. It's crazy. LOL. Why are they trying to make it sound like anything more than an acceleration upgrade? Yep, but 5,000, yikes. So exactly as I mentioned, I can't guarantee Rivian success, but one thing that's certain, like Tesla, it has proven to be a fully integrated software-defined vehicle. Yeah, so Tesla, I think they're also trying to do this with the range upgrade as well too. So Great idea. I especially love the idea of adding additional drive modes with the performance upgrade. This is something Tesla should look at as well with the power boost. These software upgrades are BS. They just offer this for all customers. Hate that these EV companies are doing this, Tesla's included. This is not how they're gonna to win Tesla customers. Just wow. And right now, you can see the back screens right here. If you watch my video, I actually did installations of the rear entertainment for my Model Y. So, and if you use the link on these descriptions, you also get a discount from it. And it's really easy to install, guys. If you have kids, and this is going to save you a lot of time, and a lot of whining from your kids, because they'll be busy watching. And it's just very, very easy. About, I would say, less than 30 minutes, and you can have this installed and ready for your kids. Let's see. I paid $2,000 a few years ago on my Model 3 long range for the power boost. I think it meant acceleration boost. The car went from 0.6 to 4.4 second to 3.83 second. At that time, the Model 3 performance is 3.2 seconds. Yeah. So with the Tesla, you can actually try it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but if you have a Tesla, you can try the acceleration boost. And if you cancel it within 24 hours, Tesla will give you back your money for that. So yeah, if you guys want to just try it out and see how it is, you can do it. Let's see what other one. Okay, isn't that hardware you already paid for? Software locking features under paywall seems a bad trend to copy. Also, that much uplift will surely hit you with increased battery degradations. So basically, Tesla acceleration boost for $3,000 more. Yeah, not a fan. I agree. So yeah, so what do you guys think about this whole thing? What's your point of view? What's your take on this? Well, other companies other than Rivian's going to be copying this too. So I don't know. But as far as, in my opinion, I feel like the customer being cheated. You know what I mean? If it's there, give it to us. And if not, make it reasonable. Just one click of a button and we get charged $5,000. That's just crazy. But that is just my thought. Let us know what your thoughts are. Other than that, be safe. Thank you. Till next time.